פה נטמע רבנו היקר, האיש, הכשר, הצדיק, בעניו, השוחט, הרב מלה יוסף בן מלה פנחס, עליו השלום.
In April of 2016, Shlomo Yekutieli traveled to his hometown of Herat in northwest Afghanistan. He came to spearhead the restoration of a large Jewish cemetery with the help of Sarah Judin, who was involved in the historical restoration of antiquities in the city of Herat. Generations of Jews are buried in the cemetery, but in modern-day Herat, a Jewish community no longer exists. Shlomo's mission is ambitious and his passion is palpable.
Who knows, we have been living here maybe thousands of years, off and on, in this city. This is the only last things that I can point at about the Jewish existence in this city. And then there are some synagogues in, but there is no sign of Hebrew written and everything. Only here I can find some Hebrew words on the stones. In our cemetery, as you see, this wall, it's not straight because some people already got in to the land, so we try to prevent it. This gentleman was the one, he alerted us for it. He was the person responsible for being after taking care of this wall. I got work at it last few days. Looks like we got some progress here. We got thousands of bricks. I have today about more than 30 people working here. Some good professionals, some helpers. And then we have last two. This tomb is in half process of being finished. Some of them only on bricks, a few words in it. Here is the discovery of the underground, almost buried in the ground. You find the name here. Another name. We're going to build it, God willing, today. We'll do here in this area. I want to build here, and this one, the big monument almost. This is the last person that been died here. They've been passed away here, actually died by tragic way by the local people. He had been buried by the Muslim. He had nobody to say for him Kaddish. He had nobody for him to sit Shiva or anything. Today I want to do for them the minimal, to build for them tombstone, which is I do not know his name. He was the last person. He got buried here, and he's in Afghanistan. Like I say, he's been buried by the Muslims. Amen, amen. Yes, meraraba marach lalmelmeyait barach vishtabach vitpar vitruma mitase vitadar vitale smeu shabrichu Ye'elam mikol brachata sirata smechata v'nechamata da'amiram ba'alma v'emru amen. Al Yisrael v'arabanan v'al talmidiyom al kol talmidiyom al kol mandaskim v'ra'eta timatro dechilu chodar v'atar Ye'elam amorho shlemacha v'chasta v'chayim v'rechamim mikadam avod Yishaya v'arav v'emru amen. Yesh l'marabah Mishmaya v'chayim s'va v'shua v'nechama v'shizua v'gula v'secha v'chapara v'rev v'salem v'chol amo Yisrael v'emru amen. עושה שלום ורובה ורחמה ויעשה שלום עלינו ועל כל עמו ישראל ואמרו אמן. Buried ספרי תורה, ספרי קודש. There's one here, one there. I would like to build around here some cement, some kind of, so it won't disappear. זה המקום שקברו את הספרי תורה. להכניס אותם לגניזה, שני מקומות האלה. אני רוצה לעשות קצת, לסדר פה שיהיה שמור לעתיד לבוא. Of the outside of main things that I found the stones, tombstones. This is the finished tombs. I tried to make it original as possible to things. This one is the name Rachel Bat Mela Mishael Gol, Mashiach Gol. Rachel Bat Mela Mashiach Gol. This is from my own family. This is the example of tombs that we are rebuilding. ببینین
خط هست.
اینجا خط هست اینجا ببینی؟ اینجا
نه خط هست برادر. این خط کردی بیرون.
کجا خط کردی؟ خط کردی ماریا. خب با اینجا کردی ولی اینجا میبینم اینجا از اینجا اینجوری میره.
نه.
خب باش. کش نداره شاید. כאן מקום זה קבורה אישה בשם מרת מיכל בת יעקב יקותיאל תנצבה अदार cannot see the rest of it. बोले कि आदमी के चीज कर दे
और जवान में
जवान पर फंसते नहीं जा शुरू करने में वही तरह हो ये ड्रेस कर दे खूब
ये सांगराम पे
I'm trying to find some money from reconstruct this wall as well. It's a mud ball, it's falling apart, and we need some money. Anybody can donate, we appreciate it. نشون بده دیوار اینجا اینجا نشون بده دیوار اینجا نشون بده خدا شما رو دعا کنه کمک میکنیم برای این کارا شده اینه دوستاد هست اینجا I have to find no. I have another month to work here, but I have not much time this time. God willing, I want to come back here to try to rebuild. Then we'd like to thank people who listen to this video. I hope I'll give some message. I could be understood by what I said during the day. And then we got lots still to do. Please, again, I need some help. Thank you.